With glass, everything we do is customizable. We print all of our own interlayers, and the advantage to that is the possibilities of the colors, the opacities of colors, the creation of the designs is completely endless. So they actually had the ability to create this large graphic panel where every panel was going to be slightly different. Yet at the same time, as the panels were butt glazed together, they fed one into the other to create this continuous design. MGA Partners landed a project at the University of Pennsylvania Wharton School of Business. And they brought me in and sat me down and had a bunch of drawings and renderings printed out and images for me to look at, kind of what their vision would be. They basically wanted on multiple different floors to do a spectrum of colors ranging from red to orange to yellow, colors within inside of colors of this graphic panel wall. I worked with a designer there. His name was Christopher Rea, a very brilliant graphic designer who came up with a different graphic for each panel of glass. And the one thing that they definitely wanted to do was to create a wall with a lot of depth perception in this spectrum of colors. So some of these lines are a little bit more crisp to look like they're closer to you. Some of them are a little bit more hazy to kind of give them the illusion of them being far apart. I pretty much keep staying involved through the install. Obviously, my initial interaction with the architect and creating the samples and getting it nailed down is key. Unique thing in this instance, we have a wall mounting system, our captive hook wall mounting system. So we met with the architect and the glazing contractor and the general contractor at another project we had done down in Philadelphia called Comcast to show them how our captive hook mounting system is installed. They really liked it because you don't see any hardware. The panels are also removable. It's a great system, huge, it's not very labor intensive. So they decided to specify that in conjunction with this product. So our captive hook specialist, Pat McCormick, went on site to watch the initial installation of some of these panels, which went very smoothly. The glazing contractor has been fantastic. The general contractor was great. I loved the creativity and inspiration from Christopher Rea. He was just a brilliant graphic designer who really was very inspiring, and it was so fun. He was almost like a kid on Christmas morning when he would come up with a design and tweaking the designs. He was he was very engaging to work with, just a brilliant mind. And it was kind of crazy to see. One day I went into the office, and across I would say a 14-foot wall, he had a strip of all these different Pantone colors that he hand cut, and it looked like a crazy banner of colors. But to see that and remember that now, and then to see the product installed, it's great just to see it come to life. It's really rewarding to see something that someone worked so hard on come to life. The client is so happy. The end user is just absolutely in love with their product.